Cell phone and smartphone are two terms that are often used by people to describe a portable communication tool. However, the cell phone and smartphone actually refer to two different devices. Both cell phones and smartphones are both portable communication devices. But there are some different features in cell phones and smartphones. Cell phone is usually used for basic communications purposes, such as making phone calls and short messages. Some cell phones are also equipped with camera features. However, these cameras are usually not in very sophisticated specs. In addition, cell phones usually still use the physical T9 keyboard, while the term smartphone refers to mobile devices that are equipped with all kinds of additional features that are not available on cell phone. These features include access to the internet, the ability to download various applications, to sophisticated camera features. The keyboard on a smartphone usually comes in a touch screen. In short, there are some similarities and differences between smartphones and cell phone. If someone mentions smartphones as cell phone, that person is not completely wrong. This is because, according to Kasim, cell phone is a general term that people can use to refer to a telephone device that is not connected to a cable, aka mobile phone. So in general, according to Kasim, the term mobile phone can also be used to refer to communications devices such as satellite phones, cell phones to Wi-Fi phones. Over time, these cellular phones have been developed and are equipped with various additional features such as games, calendars, email, and so on. So, the term smartphone emerged as the features on the mobile phone evolved to be computer-alike. So the term smartphone emerged as the features on the mobile phones evolved to be computers alike. The term smartphone was coined to distinguish feature phones from phones that have computer-like capabilities and cell phones that can only be used for basic communications purposes.